Good morning. My name is Mr. D.O.K. Afamefno. I am an MMM guide. I am an MMM school in Gada School. I'm an MMM Gada School. I want to talk about the MMM, its ideology, the benefit, how MMM works. Now, if you look around, you will discover that we are an unequal society, in an evil society, in a partial world, where others live up to expectation and where others don't live expectation, where money is the problem, where finance is the problem. Some people, they go to bed empty stomach without money. What's the problem? Is it from the government? Is it from the individual? Is it from people? What is actually the problem? Is that how nature wanted us to be? The answer is capital no. How did nature want us to be? Nature wanted an egalitarian society whereby everybody live equal. You have money, you have confidence. With money, you have confidence on yourself that you have something to spend tomorrow. Now, this issue of financial disequilibrium, that brought about this MMM. That's how MMM came into being. It came to address this issue of financial equilibrium. Have you ever wondered the relationship between money and blood? You discover that the blood and money, they work hand in hand. Without one cannot function effectively. Money and blood, they function effectively. If money is not there, your blood cannot function. Yes, take it from me. Take this quote from me. Quote my authority anywhere. Money and blood, they work hand to hand. When you have money, you have confidence. If you don't have money, you have no confidence for yourself. Take it or leave it. Money answers it all. Now, what about bankers? People working in bank. No wonder when we are there in those days, our parents, they keep on preaching to us money. You must work hard. If you must succeed in life, that you must work hard. That's the sense the thing that brought about the issue of MMM. That's how MMM came into being. Now, what about the bankers? How does bankers they live their life? Because they are every time they are with money every time. They have the bankers. How do you expect bankers? They work. They earn this money every day. What do you expect from the bankers? Because of the money enters every time in their hands. What's the essence of bank? How does bank come into being? Now, the history of bank dated back at the Goldsmith era, where many people will come and deposit their valuable with them. After depositing their valuable with them, the next day they will come, or not the next day, at a later date they will come. They will collect it. Now people will be coming and depositing the valuables. After sometimes they will come and collect it back. Now the Goldsmith now came into the idea of saying, okay, so some people they will come, they will deposit the valuables. After they deposit the valuables, they will go. And there are some people who need it. They now started lending it on interest rate. You don't discover that everybody they will not come and collect it at the same time. Now you will come and will give this person. Tomorrow another person will deposit. Next tomorrow the person who deposited initially will come and collect it. You will use that one, the other person who deposited today, to give the another person, and so it goes. How does MMM works? How does MMM works? Now that's the issue. Now MMM has come into being. He has seen all this thing that's moving around. He has seen how people masses are suffering. Now he now came up with an idea. How do you champion poverty? How do you make us live an egalitarian society? How do we make this egalitarian society that the nature has blessed us with come to reality? How do people feel belong? Because as we said earlier, that money makes one to have confidence, make you to feel that you belong in the society, an equal society. How do we do? How does MMM come into being? How does it work? Now, first of all, you go to their site. You register. You log into the site. MMM. You go log into the site. Their website is nigeria-mmm.net. You register and enter your information there. After you enter information, you feel this is necessary, or if you cannot do that, you contact your guide, your referral, the person who guided you, who introduced you to the system. The person will now register you there. Then you enter your details. You make sure that they are accurate. You are honest. You see, MMM has a certain principles. You must be honest. You must be up and doing. You must be responsible. It does not deal with people who are not responsible. You must be honest in everything you are doing. You must not have two accounts. You must not upload fake teller. Everything you are doing must be genuine. Now, after registering all these things, now you have to spend money. If you have to spend money I repeat, is pay money. You don't go and borrow money from bank. You don't go and borrow money from people to go and do MMM. You must have is pay money available to give out. If you're satisfied that you have this available spare money to give out, now you not pledge. You make a pledge. There's a code they call it PH, pledging. A word of declared interest that I'm willing to give some amount of money for somebody who is in need for today. Now, when you declare this interest by a word of calling it pledging. Now, another person elsewhere who is somewhere who has already pledged and paid to another person elsewhere, and that person has confirmed the person. Now say that he's in need of this money, he's in need of money equivalent to what you have pledged. Now the person will now give you that just pledge. You now pay this money. The system will merge you to this person. We now ask you to pay this person social amount of money. We now pay that person social amount of money. Now you expected to leave it to 30 good days. Or not up to 30 days. You expected to leave when you give this person that money, the person will confirm that has received this money from you. When this person confirms that you have received that money from you, now the release date of that money you have given that person will mature 2 weeks from that date in which that person confirm you that you have actually paid that money into his account. Now you can withdraw from that. You can request for help from that very day. You make complete 2 weeks in which that person confirm you that you have paid money to his account, or you will leave it up to 30 good days. Now the system will merge it with another person who will pay you, that's your principal plus 30% interest. I repeat, your principal plus 30% interest in which you have invested will be paid back to you. System will merge you with another person who will pay you that interest. And it goes. Now, one thing I want to emphasize is that MMM is not an investment. MMM is not for you to make you to be rich. You pledge, you do MMM with your spare money. You don't go to the bank and borrow. You don't go anywhere and borrow money to go and do MMM. Make sure before you are pledging, you must have money at hand. You must have money at hand in which you are ready to part when there's another person who is in need of this money. Now, MMM has a lot of benefits. It has benefited a lot of people. It has its benefits. Now, it made you to have confidence in yourself. Remember what you said earlier, that money and blood, they work hand to hand. With your money, with this money you are making from MMM, you make it to have confidence in yourself that you should be able to meet up with your challenges tomorrow. When challenges of tomorrow comes, you should be able to meet up with the challenges of tomorrow. MMM help you to pay your bill. It help you live equal like other people. It may help you live equal like other creators. Other people. Remember what I said? Nature created us. It made us, all of us, to be equal in the society. That no one is more equal than the others. It's because of the society we find ourselves. Society of disequilibrium. Society of partiality. Some people will be working. They pay some people million. And some people will be working. Some people are collecting peanuts. How about the factory workers? Factory workers, they work day and night. Still, the money they are collecting peanuts. The money is not enough to take care of them. Now, look at the bankers. Because people work with banks. Because people who are working with oil company, how these people live? These people live like God. People live like the makers of creation of heaven and earth. These people, they don't work. Still, these people, they live bigger than every other person. So MMM come to address this issue of this thing we're talking about. MMM Nigeria, kudos to you. I want to use the opportunity to thank my mentor in the system, in the person of mentor Gloria Useni, who has done so much. She has done so much to mentor me well in this system. I want to thank her very well for all her time she has taken so far to ensure that this program is a success, to ensure that this school is a success. I want to thank her very well. I owe her $1 million. I also want to thank everybody, fellow Nigerians, to have confidence, to come and register, to know that, to ensure. I want to use the opportunity to thank my fellow Nigerians to come and participate in this MMM. MMM has come to stay. MMM has addressed the problem the difference between the rich and the poor. It made you to have confidence with yourself. It made it there is something that you can do. It made it that you can do the same. And have confidence on yourself. It made it to have confidence that you can pay your bill. It made it to ensure that you and your family, you can eat food 2 times daily, 3 times daily without having any problem. Kudos to MMM. I want to thank the Mavrod, the founder, the founder of MMM Nigeria, focused so far for his vision in making this MMM a reality. MMM Nigeria, you are wonderful. Bye, 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 bye. Hooray!